Once there was a parrot named Coco. Coco lived with her owner, Mrs. Patel, in a small house. Coco was a funny parrot because she liked to repeat everything she heard, but she didn't always get it right. One day, Mrs. Patel was talking on the phone and said, "I'm going to the market to buy vegetables." Coco heard her and said, "I'm going to the monkey to buy vegetables." Mrs. Patel laughed and said, "Silly Coco." The next day, while Mrs. Patel was cooking, she said, "I'm making a curry for dinner." Coco quickly repeated, "I'm making a curry for the dinner." Mrs. Patel smiled and said, "You're too funny, Coco." One day, Mrs. Patel's neighbor, Mr. Sharma, came to borrow sugar. Coco saw him and shouted, "Hello, Mr. Sharma. I'm going to the monkey to buy curry." Mr. Sharma looked confused, and Mrs. Patel laughed. "Oh Coco, you always make me laugh." Everyone in the neighborhood loved Coco. People came to visit just to hear her funny words. Moral of the story: it's okay to make mistakes sometimes. They can make people laugh and bring happiness to others. Choose the correct sentence. Say, "I am going to market to buy vegetables." I am going to the market to buy vegetables. I am go to market to buy vegetables. I am going to market buying vegetables. Comment your answer. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe.